So I just want to end with a message of hope and unity. Regardless of where we start, it's where we're going that counts. I want to navigate this journey with openness, respect, and a shared desire to uncover the truths that bind us all. The bedrock will serve as a foundation for viewers, spiritual exploration, and growth. Again, I'm a Christian, so it's going to be around that, bringing other elements in. So I'm excited about this journey ahead and the community that this might bring and the hope to build something together. And that's it. So if you did like this, if you feel somebody else might want to join on this, please share, subscribe, be open, be understanding. We're on this human journey together, navigating ourselves in our own ways. I would imagine to have the best possible life, the most joy-filled life. So I value everyone's depth, understanding, connection, feedback.